Alright, fellas, let's go over the mods that we've done so far on this 2026 MT-09 SP. Oh, I still have the tape here. I had the 360 cam and it was bumping here and I wanted to ruin it, so ignore the tape. From the front to the back, we've done windshield, which is amazing. Puig, I don't know how to pronounce that, but the Puig windshield. This is a touring one in clear. It is amazing. It helps with to get that wind off your chest and your chin, depending on your height. But it makes 80 miles an hour feel amazing. If you're doing 80 miles an hour without the windshield, you're getting a constant pressure on your chest, and you feel like you're gonna get ripped off the bike. So if you're getting that feeling, get this windshield. It's amazing. It's in the comments. We've done these Evotech frame protection. Same thing with the those here. We got them in the back as well, and the little spindles for the rear stat. Let's see, we did the tail tidy kit right here with the stock Yamaha lights, and basically took off all this big fender that was sticking out the back. What else? We've done the full pipe Yoshimura AT2 exhaust with the there's a bee flying next to my exhaust. It's gonna get burnt. The full exhaust, and it has the 20K 20 dB insert that makes it a little bit less loud. Okay. And of course we did the tune because we changed this, because we changed the exhaust. That means there's a difference in airflow. So we did the B-cycle nut tune and got that done. It's in the bike now. Everything is done. As far as other stuff we did the mirrors. These are knockoff mirrors. I just realized that. They were $36 for these mirrors that I saw on a post somewhere, and I couldn't figure out what they were. So I did a search on, I think it was like angular mirrors or something like that, and I found this knockoff company on Amazon. Later I realized that it's actually a knockoff of a company called Rismos, I think, or something like that. Rismos. I think it's an Australian company, and these mirrors would cost like €500. That's like more than $500 just for mirrors, and that's not even including import fees or shipping costs, right? So it sucks that they're knockoffs, but they do the job, and I'm happy with them. And they only cost $36 out the door. That's including taxes and shipping. So it sucks, but how you gonna charge $100 for mirrors? Anyway, if they were like in the $200 range, I wouldn't have a problem paying that just to support the company. But at $500, when I could get them for $36, I don't know. It's a whole thing, right? Like, you want to support the company that invented the look, but that's ridiculous. $100 for mirrors is ridiculous. And I know I'm gonna get some hate in the comments for this, but let me know how you feel about that. The other thing that I do to all my bikes is I install the quad lock post with the angle. This is a pro version, but there's a blue one that's a normal version. It's all good. They all work the same. And the shock absorber thing here that helps to keep your phone from losing its ability to do stabilization, because of all the vibrations will mess up your internal cameras. Oh yeah, I haven't done anything as far as intake or anything like that, because I don't need any more horsepower. I have enough horsepower. I just wanted the sound of the exhaust. Okay, so there it is. 2026 Yamaha MT-09 SP in all of its glory. We are at about what? We're at 476 miles. We're almost at our first service, and then we'll be able to rev it past 6,000 RPM. So looking forward to that day. And maybe it'll happen soon. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video with the MT-09 and you want to follow along for the journey of breaking this thing in and what it's like to own one and live with one, hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video here. Go check that out. See you over there.